New at 5 o'clock, access to health care can be hard to come by in rural parts of Dorchester County, but a new facility could change that. MUSC Health and county leaders broke ground today in St. George on a primary care clinic. News 2's AC Barker tells us more about how they are bringing health care closer to home.
Behind me, what used to be part of a women's detention center will soon look like this. A brand new rural health care facility designed to serve families that have spent years driving miles just for basic care. Something county and health leaders say is a long time coming.
A center, a health center, where hearts will care, where hands will work.
The new MUSC Health Primary Care Clinic will transform part of the former Women's Detention Center into a 6,300 square foot medical facility.
This is going to give them an opportunity to have health care locally, to not spend their entire day sitting in traffic trying to get there.
Offering everything from wellness visits and chronic disease management to mobile x-rays and mental health care.
It's critically important because we know that access is the biggest barrier that most patients and community members have. So rural access is even harder.
MUSC leaders say it's about meeting people where they are and addressing healthcare deserts that still exist in many rural areas.
So to be able to have a presence in a smaller community allows easier access to care, and that allows us to work on our mission to really elevate the care and care for all South Carolinians.
For St. George's mayor, the project is personal. He says he's watched the need to grow over decades.
That's the main challenge in St. George. You just don't have the after hours that we need here. And our citizens are aging. You know, we do want the 24-hour service, and that will come in time.
The clinic was made possible through a combination of federal ARPA funding, USDA rural development grants, and bipartisan support across multiple agencies. Leaders saying it's an emotional moment seeing the project come to life.
I can't overemphasize the change from a building of incarceration to a building of health. Super change.
County leaders say they hope to open the new healthcare facility next year. And with St. George continuing to grow, they say this clinic is just the beginning. In St. George, AC Barker, Count on 2.